Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for the live weigh-in. And see if this will work. So Belle is out enjoying some big dog time. And I see that Mr. Clove finally emerged from his wet towel. Let me get his collar back though, because we don't want to give him an unfair disadvantage by not weighing his collar. That just wouldn't be right to the clavicle. Oh my goodness, that's a good stretch, Dill. So I think I figured out my GoPro problem. We had like a cheap USB port that was charging the GoPro. And I think it might have been what was overheating it. So we'll see if it happens again. But Amazon delivered us a new one today, a better one. And if it doesn't happen again, then I'm going to think that that must have been it. So, oh my goodness, Paprika's putting her feet in your mouth. Poor little Clove. All right, he seems to be nice and dry now. So let me just get his sweet little red collar back on. Oh, are you going to be mad at me? Sorry, dude. Gosh, did you grow out of your collar somehow? Let's see here, baby. Go, baby boy. Why does that seem like it doesn't fit you? What happened? You grew that fast, little man? He's like fighting me, not wanting this on his neck. That's hilarious. Are you gonna be strong-willed, little man? All right, let's see if I can make this work. So I gotta move the little papitas away from the camera so I can put the scale right in front. Okay. Scale and lasagna dish. Okay, we're zeroed out and ready to go. So 10-day weigh-in. I will write it down, but I'll count on you guys to capture it too. Uh-oh. So Basil clearly wants to be first because he was nosing this. Who's making that sad noise? Okay, we're zeroed out. Here's Mr. Basil. Oh, you can't see the numbers. Let me move it forward just a little bit for you. Okay. Gotta zero out again. Oh, sorry, Paprika. You need to be good and mad now, huh? Eyes are almost opening, you guys. That might happen early for this litter. 2 pounds, 2.4 ounces for the Basil. Wow. Good job, Mr. Basil. Look, he's going to climb right out of here. All right, in no particular order then, we have Parsley Pants. Parsley had a bad day where she accidentally got kicked in the nose by her mama as mom was getting up to get some food. Wow, Parsley, 10 pounds, 7 straight. What I say, 10 pounds? I don't think so. 2 pounds, 7. It's been a long day for Parsley. Good job, Miss Parsley. Let's do a little eye check on her. Getting really close. All right, let's do the sleeping Dill boy. Dill, hi buddy. Dill, 2 pounds, 6.7 for the Dill. And let's do the little twitching Pepper. Hi, baby. She was whining earlier. I was hoping it wasn't that she was hungry. So Pepper. Ooh, she's done well. 2 pounds, 7.2. Whoa, stay on there, baby. Yep, 2 pounds, 7.2. Good job, Pepper. Oh my goodness. She may have eaten herself into oblivion because somehow she is heavier than everyone else so far. That's crazy. I would not have guessed that. All right, so then we need Miss Poppy. Popples. She is. Pop star. Oh, 2 pounds, 0.2. So just hit the 2 pound mark. So Martin will be happy to know that she is gaining, although she's still a little pipsqueak, aren't you? Here you go, girl. And how about sweet little Paprika? All right, baby. Okay. Ooh, let's move this right here, sweetie. Let's make sure this was zeroed out properly. Yep. I think we got 2 pounds, 2.8 from Paprika. Whoop, you stay in there, climber girl. All right, hang on. Yep, 2 pounds, 2.8 for Paprika. And last, but definitely not least, Mr. Clove, the poopy boy himself, who got the first bath of the litter. There he is. Oh, 2 pounds, 8 point. Oh, I saw 8.8, but now saying 8.6. But he is still the heavyweight champion. So, in descending order, then we have Clove at 2 pounds, 8.6 ounces. And then next is Pepper, 2 pounds, 7.2. Parsley, 2 pounds, 7 even. Then we have Dill at 2 pounds, 6.7. Oh wait, I missed Parsley. She was 2 pounds, 7.0. Maybe I did say that. And then the rest are quite a bit smaller. So Paprika, 2.28. Basil, 2.24. And then Poppy, 2 pounds, 0.2 ounces. So everybody's now finally over the 2 pound mark. But Big Boy Clove is pretty much 2.5 pounds, so that is something else. And Pepper was the surprise of the night because she looks petite to me, but she has been putting on some weight. So if she was whining earlier, as she was, probably wasn't from an empty tummy, but maybe an overfull one. Are you crying now, Poppy? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. Oh, thank you, Rachel. Ocean Mist got all the weights too. Thank you so much. Super helpful. Deborah Firestone, you're right. Yep, Clove was already bathed. He was bathed this evening. That was his very first bath of anybody in this litter. Oh my goodness, those little squawks. All right, well, we're going to wrap it up here in just a few minutes. I'm going to let Mama Belle back in, and then we will be turning in for the night. So thank you so much for watching the live stream, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so, and you'll get to see these sweet babies grow up, which happens all too fast. Oh, he's crying. Is that you again, Pepper? No, it's Poppy. Okay, I'm gonna get Belle in here to feed little Miss Poppy. Belle! Belly Bop! So, KM, thank you very much. You gave me a very important fact that I did not. Whiny peppercorn here, who pooped on Clove. So that's hilarious. It's a wonder she really still weighs that much. Look at how fast Poppy was. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm going to get little Mighty Mite Poppy over here to the milk bar. Good girl, Belle. Good girl. Cat. I'll come back in for one more blanket change before bedtime. I'll let her get a good feed in first. Oh my goodness, and this is so active. I'll leave the live stream on for just a bit longer, and you'll be able to hear the little quacking duck sounds. That don't sound like puppies at all. Oh, hungry hippos. Good girl, Belle. Such a good mama. Good girl. Shall we see if we can lie down and give everybody a spot, baby? Here, let's do this. Yeah, what a girl. What a girl. Oh, such a good mom. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm feeling okay about letting Clove and Parsley and Pepper sit this one out, because they are definitely on the bigger side. Oh, Parsley heard the news though. She's coming to the open milk bar, isn't she? Yeah. Good girl. So thank you so much to our moderators, Ocean Mist, who is just so reliable, even though you're trying to throttle back on how much time you spend on here. Cobra Breath, we couldn't do it without you. And thank you to our newer moderators. I think Jam Jam was on there tonight, and Rhino Girl, and of course Martin on the web, who really mans the day shift and puts in a ton of hours. And you guys are students of HDL. You know more of the stats than I do, so it's much appreciated and doesn't go unnoticed. Paprika, are you getting pushed out again? Let me help you, little girl. Do you need help, or are you on there? Oh, no, she's not. Oh, baby. Are you getting pushed out, little pipsqueak? Here. Here, let me help you. Oh, listen to them. Oh, there's one right there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Everybody's got one. Uh-oh. Oh, Basil, don't push Paprika off. No, no, no. I'll get you one, buddy. Hang on. Yeah, here you go. There's two down there. You don't have to take hers. So with a little bit larger litter, this is something that we'll keep watching to make sure that everybody's getting fed. Oh, wrong way, sweetie. Come here. Come here. And yep, there's more under there, Basil boy. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a foot there. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Did you lose yours, Poppy? Oh, Paprika's gonna have to fight to keep hers. That is crazy. You want one there? Nope, look at that. Clove was trying to take Paprika's. Here, buddy. There's one for you. You don't actually have one there, do you, baby? Okay, Parsley. No, hang on. Here, sweetie. Oh, here's one right here. Where'd that one come from? There you go. Here you go. Look. Look. Right here. There you go. You like that one, huh? There's more coming out. Right here. Here you go. There we go. I think everybody's on one now. Good mama, Belle.